So we're told to rent a surfboard, it costs $25 as a service fee and then $10 per hour. A person needs to rent a surfboard for T hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75. What inequality represents the situation best? So we can start with the fact that to rent this surfboard, the maximum amount of money to spend on it will be $75. So whatever we do here will be less than $75. There's nothing we can do about the $25 service charge. That's going to be paid whatever. And we're just going to be adding to it the amount of time we spend on that surfboard, which will be $10 multiplied by the time we spend on that surfboard. And that should be one of the options in the answer. And it turns out to be D.